Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel today. Thanks for coming. Got a good video for you today. I'm going to show you how to make some money by reading. So if you like to read, you can make some money in this video I'm going to show you today. So stick around. We'll be right back here in just a few seconds. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin Lehner with freedommotivator.com, and if this is your first time here, or if you've been here before, what we do here is we make videos on how-to videos, affiliate marketing videos, general value videos, and anything to do with making money videos, and once in a while we'll throw in a motivational video for you there too to keep you up on your toes. Okay, also if this is your first time here, and if you've been here before and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, reach down there below and click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified of when we upload new videos, which if you've been here before, we do fairly frequently here. Alrighty, great. Well, with that said and out of the way, let's get started on today's video. It's just a quick one here, won't be real long. And found a site here where you can make some money by reading. It's going to be really interesting too. You can make anywhere from $50 up to $1,000 just by reading books. So here we go. Let's get started on this, okay? Alright, so coming over here, we're going to go to a website that I found here. It's called ACX.com. You can see it up here in the address bar. It's just ACX.com. And what they do here is people, creators, make books, and they want their books turned into audiobooks, and those audiobooks are sold on Audible, Amazon, and iTunes. And where you come in at, you'll be known as a narrator or a producer on this site, and you can get paid quite a bit of money for turning creators' books into audible books, audiobooks. Okay, so if we come down here, you see it's turn a book into audiobook. So these are people who are created books, and they want people to read them and read them out loud, turn them into audiobooks, and they can sell them. Now the great thing about this is you can get paid passive income here on this site by doing this work. Or you can take a one-time fee, and or you can also get paid by if you work it out with a contract with the creator. You can also have rights to distribute that audiobook to other places on the internet besides Audible, Amazon, and iTunes, and get paid 25% for that, which I'll show you this here in just a moment. Okay? Alright, so what you want to do is come here and you want to click on be an actor or producer. Are you an actor or producer? And then you got over here, you can get the skills you need. They have the ACX University here that you can learn how to produce, publish, and make great sounding audiobooks, where you can brush up your skills on reading and those types of things too if you want. But what we're going to do is click on here being an actor or producer, because we're interested in how we can make money, right, on this website. So if we click on that, it comes over here, and it talks about the different things here that you can do, creating audiobooks and stuff, and increase your earnings and stuff like that right here. It says here that they have over 1,623 titles open for auditions. 82,431 producers, and 141,905 audiobooks that are on sale right now at Audible, Amazon, and iTunes alone. Alright, so if I come up here and I go to how it works and come down, because we want to be a narrator. Now on this site, both a narrator and a producer mean the same thing. Okay? The people that create the books, they load them up here looking for people like you that can read the books out loud for them, okay, and so on and so forth. So let's click on narrator here, and it's just 10 easy steps to get signed up. It says start your audiobook career, and as you see right here, what I was saying is on ACX, an audiobook narrator is also known as an audiobook producer. Now don't get that confused with audiobook creators. Creators are different. You're the narrator or producer if you're working on here putting books into audio. Okay. All right. So here's how it starts. You just come here, and for free, doesn't cost anything, and create a profile. You're going to upload some samples of you reading out loud, okay, that you've recorded on your computer, and then it says how do you want to get paid. You can get paid. It says here choose a per finished hour rate, or choose to share 50% of the royalties. Now this is where the passive income comes in. You can get passive income this way, because if you sign a deal with the creator of the book and they're willing to share the royalties of their book with you, then that's 50% up to that. See, so that could be you do the work one time, and you can get paid over and over and over again for years to come. You know, just years on down the road, as long as that book is for sale on Audible, Amazon, or iTunes, or wherever else, right? So that gives you passive income there. That's a good thing. And then your step 3 is you're going to audition, and then step 5 is you accept the offer. If a creator gives you an offer and accepts your audition and likes your voice and the way you read and so on and so forth, then you have a deal going. Okay. And then you just go ahead and they'll give you a copy of the whole book, and then you just record the whole book with your voice by reading it. Okay. And then there's step 7 is work with other studio professionals. You can get in a sort of like a joint venture kind of thing, I suppose, here too. Step 8, finish up the recording. Then you get paid, and then just basically repeat. Come back and do more of that same stuff, right? So it's 10 easy steps to get signed up for this and to get started. All right, so one of the other pages on here, let's see here, they do have a help center here where it has a lot of questions here, sort of like a frequently asked questions help center here that you can come and check out too at audible-acx.customerhelp.com app browse, and then this link right here that you can click on here, and it'll get you to the help section, which is probably on the need help. Just click right there, it gets you that same thing. And now some of the books, if you look right here, it said they had 1,623 titles waiting for people to turn those books into audiobooks, right? So and you can choose. If we come over here and we click on compensation, it opens this up, and you can choose anywhere from $0 to $50 per proofread hour, anywhere from 50 to 100, 100 to 200, 200 to 400, and 400 to 1,000 proofread per hour. Okay, that's pretty good money. All right, so let's just, for example, this is overall, this is total right here, 1623. So I want to say if we just click on the $50 to $100 per proofread per hour, right? So if we click on that, and you see right now there's 58 titles that match that particular category for the $50 to $100 category here, waiting for people to turn these into audio, right? These books. And these are all recently uploaded books, new books. You just click on one. Let's say Instagram marketing here. If we click on that, and then it comes down, tells you a little bit about it, and so on and so forth here, and you know, the estimated length of the book or whatever, and so on and so forth. And then we click on audition, and then it tells you a little bit about that. And we click on learn more about submitting auditions, and then it takes us to that help center. But Let's see. I lost my place where I was at here. Yeah. Okay. But anyways, so that tells you a little bit more about it, and you got to produce the audio book. You can click here and read different things, and then different things about the sales of it, audiobook sales summary, how it'll be reach over millions of potential customers on Audible, Amazon, and iTunes, and so on and so forth. All right, so on that now, if we come back here again, like I said, this is where you can check how much you can make per recording an audio for a particular book or whatever that you like or whatnot. And if we come over to on the production earnings and cost, you can sort of see right here what you can make. If you get a deal with a creator, you can have exclusive royalty rights for this and make up to 40%. So each time that book is sold, and if you're on with royalty, you get 40% of the sales price. Imagine if you had hundreds of these, where your voices recorded the audio for hundreds of books, and each of these sells. Imagine how much money you can make here. Just think about this a moment here. That this could go on for years, and you'll be paid for years and years and years passively. Every month this money will be coming into you. So it's a really good thing. You can also do non-exclusive royalty, where you can retain the right to distribute this book somewhere else. Like I was telling you earlier, you could put it on maybe LinkedIn or Facebook or some other website where there's a lot of traffic, and sell this book too, and earn 25% of the retail sales of that book too, and then of course the rest of it the other 75 would go to the creator of the book, right? And earn 25% retail on Audible, Amazon, and iTunes, but you can also distribute it elsewhere and get 25% too. 40% on royalty, and then this where it says your cost here, this is what the creator pays their producer, which is you or narrator, right? A one-time fee. So you can either take royalties if you can work this deal out with the creator. It's sort of a contractual thing that you're going to get into with the creator of the book, and you guys negotiate on how you want to do the deal, right? So the producer, then you can accept just to take a one-time fee for your work for recording the book, or you can possibly get the exclusive royalties and have yourself some passive income. Okay, all right. So that's a pretty good thing right there. All right, now I think that's pretty much what I wanted to show you here. It's pretty straightforward. Just come to acx.com and you can check this out and look this over, and then certainly get started right off the bat with signing up with it as a narrator here, and it's only like I said, only 10 steps to get signed up and get on this, and put some samples up of you reading books and recording books and stuff, and get accepted with a creator, and you got a deal going, and you can start making some money, quite a bit of money, as you've seen. Okay, alrighty guys, that's what I had for you today. Wanted to get you this quick video here. If you like this video and you got some value out of it, reach down there and hit the thumbs up button for me if you would. And also, you want to check out my #1 business down there below in the description where it says mentorwithkev.com. Check out the description down there and see what all you can get for that, and make big money with this business here too. Okay. Alright, also there's a lot of other stuff down there in the description to help you, lots of other videos off my channel there that'll help you too as well, and got quite a few motivational videos there too as well. Alrighty guys, great, and I'll go ahead and let you go. Have a great day, and I'll see you here again in the next couple days on the next video, okay? Alright, you guys take care. Have a great day now. Bye-bye.